What is regenerative agriculture? What is sustainability? Ask 10 farmers, you'll probably get 15 different answers. So look, I come from the world of greenhouse gas measurements. I know a little bit about it, and I know some of the best scientists in the world. The funny thing about carbon dioxide and sustainability and all of that, it's very confusing. Can't see it, can't measure it, very difficult. That's actually not true. If you want to know what carbon looks like, it looks just like this. It's carbon that we pull out of almond shells, convert that into biochar, put that into the soils where it remains forever. It's the ultimate in sustainability. You know, there are about 1.6 million acres of almond orchards throughout the entire state of California, and it produces millions of tons of waste product that has almost no value, including about 900,000 tons of almond shells. And almond shells are loaded with biochemical value, but we don't really think about it that way. Farmers every day drive their fields or talk to their advisors, their PCA and agronomists, to basically do one thing: ascertain the health of their crops. Are they under stress? In fact, that whole community's job is to minimize stress on the crops. And when they detect the stress, they all do it the same way. It's with their eyeballs. But here's the rub. When they see the stress, it's too late. I mean, I've been in the world of scientific instruments, measurements, remote sensing, all of that. I know that very well. But when you think about instruments and technology and what it can and can't do, what it can do, it can inform you of the problem, tell you how big it is, tell you where it is. Like an MRI can tell you where you have a tumor. It doesn't solve cancer, and it's not going to get rid of the tumor. And if we want to think about climate change and the real big problem, as complex as that topic is, it's actually quite simple. We need to take carbon atoms out of the air and put them somewhere else where they remain forever. And the only somewhere else where we add real value in that process is in topsoil. We're selling product to farmers. We're about regenerative agriculture. We're driving carbon into soils. And I think this is the really cool part. We're showing that regenerative agriculture at any scale, including massive scale, is a euphemism for making more money if you're a farmer. That's a really cool thing, and I think that's what I'm most proud of at Corigin. So I'm Woelk. Regenerative ag is my expertise.